Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making a creeping death chicken tikka achari. This dish uses a fantastic combination of pickles and spices for a hot, rich, pickly curry with a kick. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video, and click that notification bell. Thanks. With your pan on a low to medium heat, add the mustard oil, bay leaf, chopped up Kashmiri chillies, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and the sliced finger chillies. Give it a good stir through and allow to fry gently for a few minutes to allow the flavours to seep into the oil. Once the hard spices start gently bubbling, give it another stir, add the onions and fry it until beginning to brown and soften, stirring occasionally. Add in the garlic and ginger paste, stir through and fry for 30 seconds until the strong bitterness fades. Now add the tomato paste, stir through well and fry out for 30 seconds. It's fine to add a little water at any time to keep things moving, and watering the tomato paste down first definitely helps at this stage. Give it a stir through and sprinkle in the methi, Kashmiri chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, sugar, and mixed curry powder. Stir through and cook for a few minutes until the oil starts to separate, adding a little water if needed to keep things moving. Add half the heated water, stir through and allow to reduce for a few minutes before adding the rest. Time to add your choice of meat and give it a stir to ensure it's all combined. I'm using my yogurt-free chicken tikka today. I'll pop a link to it in the video description. Reduce down for around 5 minutes, then add the grated garlic cloves, fresh chopped coriander, and your choice of hot pickle, stirring in well. Today I'm using the fantastically hot creeping death lime and Murgh pickle. It's fine to use whatever you like at this stage, so Murgh pickle, Atax garlic pickle, and even mango pickle is fine depending on how hot you like your dishes. If you're using a pickle that doesn't include lemon or lime, I would add 1 teaspoon of either now. Sprinkle over the garam masala and black salt, then stir through. You can always use the chat masala or hing instead if you have some, and then reduce until the dish is the consistency you require. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.